putting up your research work into real aspect. Then I saw some beautiful craft work of minute children of class 1, class 2, the middle-aged children, the 4-5 children, how they have developed that skill of preparing projects, working models like fire alarm, water alarm, the rain harvest, then how they are managing the the agricultural field, converting water into hydroelectric power, all those things. This is really what we want in the world today. With the children, with the staff like this, we really expect to soar high in the skies with the group of the budding scientists, the budding engineers, the budding doctors. I am very sure they are going to excel in future and they'll bring lot of prosperity to the country. We really need these talents in future. They are the future of our country. I wish them all very good luck and congratulations to all the winners. Not disheartening the people who have not won like at present, but yes, they have got better ideas in future. Thank you all for, and I really feel honored to be a part of the chief guest of this press.
आर्टिफिशियल डालेंगे तो बराबर जो है टमाटर कहाँ जाएंगे पूरे सर्विसेज आपने नहीं करेंगे हम बैंक में सेव करते हैं इसके लिए अलग अलग फैक्टर्स में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं इसमें जो एक्सप्लेन किया है कैसे हमारे इनकम में काम करते हैं तो पैसा को इनकम हमारी आती है वो कहाँ जाती है कैसी होती है।